How to set a custom ringtone on Android. From your phone, open the settings screen. Scroll down to Sounds and Vibration. Click on Ringtone to enter the dedicated menu. You can set pre-installed ringtones by clicking here. Decide what you want to change the ringtone for. You can change the main ringtone of the phone, the alarm, events, or notifications. Select one to enter the menu, and once inside you will find a list of pre-installed ringtones. You can click on each of them to listen to them. When you have chosen, leave it selected and click on the back arrow to confirm it. If instead of clicking on ringtones to install you click on choose a ringtone, you can record a ringtone yourself, or select it from the music files on your phone.